guess it's time for another video. Haven't been doing anything for like a year. I want to make a raised bed out of some old concrete slabs.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life, cast out like a shadow, racing.
Kan ik een foto nemen?
We hebben zelf een foto. This soil does look very good, and it should be quite good. It's still just normal soil that was composted and then left for a year. So now I'm gonna add some from a oom in the Bloemfontein area, and then also gonna add some compost that you just buy at the shop. We'll put that on the top layer, and then this should be like perfect. Okay, this is just a regular store-bought compost, and this is the compost that has apparently been in the compost mix for like 4 years. Check.
City nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light. Like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
Here we're now about a week later. All of them fell flat, they basically died, but they slowly came back to life. This one never fell flat, kept strong all the way through. This one's basically dead, but it's got upright again, so we'll see. This one killed off all its leaves, but it made new little leaves here at the bottom, so it's obviously still going.
I'm lost in a city, still so far from home. I've searched for you all my life, cast out like a shadow, race.
Okay, about 3 weeks later, they got big. So now we need to get some ropes to support them. So I'm just gonna swap out these ones for long ones, and then we'll just drop the ropes from there. We'll also have to thin these ones out, because there's again too many in here.
watch me fall apart. I've always loved you more than you know. Father, don't you let me go. City nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night. I need your love, I need your light. Like city nights and satellites. When I'm old and losing sight, carry me home all through the night.
I have to build another one so we can put in more tomatoes on that side, so we can split these up a bit. This one already I've planted what do you call them, strawberries, but I think I'll move the strawberries to the new one so we can do tomatoes, strawberries, because I'm liking these tomatoes. But that's gonna end this video for now, and I'll make more videos for the next progress. Flight, let's do it as